So, you're trying to make breakthrough sales by selling physical products, digital products, or services. But no matter how amazing your product is, and no matter what platform you use to sell it on, you can't present it looking like a pile of… Nor should you make it look like the ocean of competitors out there. It's no wonder you're not getting the sales that you want. That's why we created Glorify, an incredibly easy-to-use design tool that will help you ramp up the clickbait of your product, converting your customers from browsers to buyers. Glorify gives you access to everything you need to launch a beautifully presented product online. Select from our ever-growing library of templates, personalized for your niche or brand theme. And the best part? Every template is part of a brand kit bundle, so you can stay on brand and prepared at every stage of your campaign. Customize your template with our wide selection of tools that makes the design process feel like a breeze. Try out our effects such as shadows or reflections to truly make your product pop. Spice up your design with an endless library of stock images and graphic elements. And to keep that digital closet of yours tidy, we've made organizing your brand assets perfect for you OCD nerds out there. Let's take a closer look. Simply capture a photo of your product, remove the background with a few clicks, start from scratch, or drop it into a template. Apply your brand colors with just one click and keep remixing till you get it just right. Call out your unique features with annotations. Tweak the text to fit your message and select from a range of fonts. When you're ready, share your design and get the party on the road. That's it. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur getting started or a startup with a collaborating team, whether you are a doer with no design skills or even a designer with more technical taste buds, everyone has a home inside Glorify. In fact, Glorify is not just a design tool, it's a community of entrepreneurs, marketers, and designers, all on that same path to glory. Because at Glorify, we believe anyone can turn their vision into reality. It's time to glorify your products. Get started for free now.